Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 10th and this is Henry. We are looking at Bitcoin as the chart of the day. So here's the 1 hour time frame calling for the downside below 78,000. Now shorter cycle, we still need to break below wave 3 to confirm the next leg lower has really continued. Otherwise, as an alternate, we can do double in the wave 2 like this, ABC wave 2 before going down, or we can even do double in the wave 4, so we can call this WXY before turning lower. But generally speaking, we still like it lower, so the trend still remains lower. So if it does a double, then the next potential extreme area, right, then this is going to be how you measure it, WXY. This is the real extreme area if it does a double from the low, because that will be measured from the low in 3 swing. We'll have resistance around 65,600 and 68,700 level area over there. Now, zooming out, here's the daily time frame. So this is the all-time high, right? So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 swing, which is a motive sequence. And if we assume this is the connector from the peak, then this, you can call this WX, and then this is a Y leg down in the form of an ABC. So we can at least go to 52,200, which is the 100% extension of this WXY. It can go to, technically 1.618 is 24,000, but probably it's a little bit too low. So probably I'm going to limit it to 100%, 123.6%, between 41,000 and 52,000 here as the next potential target on the downside. So from here, we can see support for at least a bigger three-year rally, if not going to new high again. So if you are a big believer in Bitcoin and you don't think it's going to go bust, then this could be a good accumulation range, accumulation level for you to establish a long position in Bitcoin. But be careful because the range is high. If you don't manage your size, you can get hurt if it does extend a little bit lower, because the range is pretty high. So if you use a little bit leverage, that can really hurt you a lot. So that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates on crypto or index stocks, ETF, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.